the bottom of the stairs. Well, they did that.
You doing, Tater?
Come undone.
TaterTodd.
Explained what happened and said she was told to tie the cape tighter so that it wouldn't fall off throughout the performance. So when she went to untie it, it did not come undone.
Wow.
What
was that?
Watch your feet, I'm recording, so I can't stop him from getting you.
She was okay, but she did vow to never perform using a cape ever again. Sliding into number 2 is Miley.
I really don't want him to be encouraged to chew on people when he's being crazy, okay? Remember, he's going to be 200 pounds.
It caused a ton of controversy, way more than anyone ever expected. Miley went on stage in a skin-colored two-piece and twerked on Robin Thicke while holding a giant foam finger. That's just like a little piece of the whole performance, so go watch it. People threw Miley in the fire for her outfit.
Such a nut.
And dancing on Robin, who was
Hi, TaterTodd.
When I say she received heat for it, I mean she took the heat for it. She explained they were both in rehearsals prior to that and said that he had no problem with the twerking and choreography. So it didn't make sense that she was just getting heat for the fact that he is married. The performance was one to remember, to say the least. And if you haven't
Tater. Hey, Tater.
Come on.
Leave it. You pick up that red and black toy and put it in his mouth.
Really excited about, but then Kanye had to take that excitement away from her. While she was getting
No, I said put it in his mouth.
Beyonce should have won the award.
Thank you.
Everyone knows that Beyonce's music video for Put a Ring on It was one of the best videos of all time. The audience was in complete shock, including Beyonce, who just looked completely mortified and embarrassed. Taylor was shocked and honestly didn't even know what to say. Beyonce later apologized to Taylor on Kanye's behalf because she had nothing to do with it.
What you doing, Tater?